The Honourable Member for Clayton Park West.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, in honor of International Women's Day this past Monday, I want to recognize a woman who has provided beautiful and intricate art services in our local community of Clayton Park West. Isra Jawad was born in Baghdad, Iraq, where she graduated with a master's degree in fine arts. In 2010, Inez and her family immigrated to Canada and decided to make Halifax, Nova Scotia, their new home. Prior to leaving Iraq, Inez discovered the art of glass painting. She immediately fell in love with this art form and began her artistic journey. Inez's passion for art and her adoration and patience with children inspired her to incorporate the two and started a small business called Little Picasso Art Center. Inez was also commissioned by the chief of the Halifax Regional Police to create a work of art to be displayed in the entrance to the police department. She unveiled it to the public on February 22nd, 2016. Mr. Speaker, I ask that this House of Assembly join me in applauding Inez for fulfilling her life goals and enriching our community. Thank you.
الآن من قلب الحدث.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy to see so many wonderful faces.
Inez Jawad.
Yes.
Mr. Speaker, in honor of International Women's Day this past Monday, I want to recognize a woman who has provided beautiful and intricate art services in our local community of Clayton Park West. Inez Jawad was born in Baghdad, Iraq, where she graduated with a master's degree in fine arts. In 2010, Inez and her family immigrated to Canada and decided to make Halifax, Nova Scotia their new home. Prior to leaving Iraq, Inez discovered the art of glass painting. She immediately fell in love with the art form and began her artistic journey. Inez's passion for art and her adoration and patience with children inspired her to incorporate the two and started a small business called Little Picasso Art Center. Inez was also commissioned by the chief of the Halifax Regional Police to create a work of art to be displayed in the entrance to the police department. She unveiled it to the public on February 22nd, 2016. Mr. Speaker, I ask that the House of Assembly join me in applauding Inez for fulfilling her life goals and enriching our community.
Very artistic and caring, and she combined the two, so the kids come out all artists out of that. And honestly, she gives classes, so we took one as the group, and we went and painted and learned how to do glass painting. So if you have ideas that you want to do with the kids and evening, they have family nights, they have groups, and it's a real blessing to have her in our life.
Hermes Chain.
كان احتفال كلش حلو وحلاوته ويا الايس كريم. هذه الاجواء من الاحتفال والتكريم اللي صار، وسعيدة جدا بهذا التكريم.